Hey everyone! Welcome back to Jesmin Paper Crafts. Today, I'm really excited to show you how to make beautiful paper wallmates using 3 simple colors: blue, yellow, and red. These are perfect for decorating your walls in a fun and creative way. Whether you're looking to brighten up your room or add a personal touch to your workspace, these vibrant colors will definitely make a statement. For this project, you'll only need a few basic supplies: colored paper, glue, scissors, and a little bit of creativity. I'll walk you through how to cut out shapes and layer them to create stunning 3D wall designs. We're going to start with our blue paper for the base shapes, then add accents with the bright yellow, and finish off with the bold red touches that will make the whole thing pop. The best part about these wallmates is that they're super easy to make and totally customizable to your space. You can switch up the colors or shapes depending on your style, but today I'm sticking to these classic primary colors for a bold and eye-catching look. The final result is a wallmate that can hang proudly in your home or be given as a thoughtful, handmade gift. It's a great project for beginners, and if you're more experienced, you can always add your own creative spin to it. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautiful paper wall decoration that's lightweight, easy to hang, and perfect for adding a splash of color to any room. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun crafting ideas. Now grab your paper and let's create something amazing together.